Yes, so my people, I say another better good morning to my people for every corner of Nigeria and all around. I want to say yes to really appreciate now for this time again because now another better sunshiny good morning with this. But meanwhile, well, as I don't know now, the only Papa Jojo now he just they take now on this special fitness segment this morning. But as I don't know now, as usual, I say Papa Jojo they always get guests, and already you go look say as my guests they there, where they do with me already don't they on high spirit to even follow up this special time fitness level. In your name now Israel. But what do we get for that this morning, my people? Where they watch us as we go. This morning you go see say it be like say we kneel down. It be like say we fold our hands somehow. If you like say, will they do one kind? Yes. I want to tell you, say, even after when you jump up and down, you still need to get with the Oyibo man they call the Grand Floor Body Stretch Program. Because this one, now it will help you make sure, say, your whole muscular training program circulate all around and feel relaxed. So you waited there this morning, where you look, say, well, before this time, I don't jog go far, I don't jog come back. I'll say congratulations to you, congratulations to you. Wait till you just spread your mat close to your screen, and you go need to follow school as we go first. The other one we go now every day, back stretch arms strength program. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. I saw you feel your count. They go like that. My people, where they follow us go the way they go. You'll see, say, as they go straight away like that, you'll need to feel the stretch from the shoulder point like that. And as you follow and go like that, you're going to feel, say, yes, some tightened part of your body, they do it, they loosen out like that as you go. 3, follow your count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Look the other pattern where they change you like that, my people. Where you just relax to drop your arm wide like a crossing style. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Then you stretch out to go down like that. You cross out your hand. You go rock side 1 like that. 2. That's how you go. 3, 4. For this point, you need to feel relaxed and continue go the way they go. And you go to rock side like that. 7. No miss out of your count. 6 like that. 5 to the right and the left. Yes, so 3 slowly. 2 because you want to make your body feel relaxed. Now see this style where they change up. You still follow your count. As my guests they go like that. Yes, so 5 slowly. 6 yes. 7 8 7. You continue like that. 6 continue like that. 5. My people wait there where they watch us the way they go. Right from this clavicle point down to the hips and straight down to the knee point. You need to feel the stretch well so that you don't go feel any stiffness from the hips joint or from the knee joint or from your shoulder joint or from your shoulder point. But as you do, you will feel the stretch, they come up from the side oblique muscle, and you go like say your hand one touch. And with the help of this special program where they take up, it will let your body get stimulated, and it will let that day free to any tightness or blockage of lockness into the joint or the muscular shape. So you need to go like that. 7, your flow. 6, 5, 4, 3. After your 1, you change to the other side. Then 1. Take her over to the other side.
1,
2, 3. Let your count follow. 4. Feel the strike well.
5,
You know, go better, make just do it anyhow. May you don't feel any impact.
7,
8, 7. You follow your count.
6,
See the way we position our leg, my viewers. Where the house there with the watchers.
4,
Yes, so 3, 2, then
1.
drop. Wait till the next one we're going to do. My people, I really appreciate you for this special time when I don't get with us. But before we go to continue, as we dey even the same time they plan to pack our load go, I just want to really let you know say this special time on the watch am on top channel 195 start time. Until tomorrow, until another time, until next time. Me I will tell and say bye-bye. But make sure not forget say any day, anytime I own him now, Papa Jojo. Catch you. See you.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.